Why are you sad? Smile. Smile for me, baby.
Why are you forcing me to smile ba? I thought you're leaving me to be with your jowa. So go! Leave me alone!
Papa is sorry, baby ko.
If you really love me, you'll stay here with me.
I have a date with my jowa,
But it's end of the world ba kapag hindi kayo nag-date? Cancel mo yan! Cancel mo yan!
Okay. Papa will stay here with you.
Baby is happy! Oy, Baby is hungry. Meron ka bang food?
You want fried chicken?
I want fried chicken. Baby want fried chicken.
What is the magic word?
Please.
Okay.